The kidneys, shaped like beans, play a pivotal role in our health by primarily filtering blood to remove waste. Additionally, they regulate blood pressure and balance electrolytes to keep the blood's composition consistent. These organs house tiny filters known as glomeruli. It's here that waste products like urea and creatinine, along with water and salts such as sodium and potassium, are filtered out in a process called filtration. During this process, the kidneys also inadvertently filter out vital substances, including glucose, amino acids, and specific amounts of water and salts. To ensure these essential components don't get wasted, they are reabsorbed by parts of the kidney called tubules. This action is termed reabsorption. Even after filtration and reabsorption, some undesirable components, like certain drug molecules and toxins, might linger in the blood. The kidneys handle these by secreting them once more, a process known as secretion, which mainly occurs in the collecting duct and distal tubules. Shifting focus to kidney tests, creatinine stands out as a primary indicator of kidney function. This waste product is typically filtered out by healthy kidneys. Elevated creatinine levels can hint at various conditions, with acute kidney disease, chronic kidney damage, and glomerulonephritis being among the most prevalent. In some instances, high creatinine might also signal dehydration. Another key test is the Glomerular Filtration Rate, GFR. It's computed using serum creatinine and factors like age, gender, and body size. A dip in GFR usually signals deteriorating kidney function and is commonly seen in conditions like acute kidney damage and chronic kidney disease. The Blood Urea Nitrogen, BUN, test is equally vital. As another waste product usually filtered by the kidneys, elevated levels of blood urea nitrogen can indicate kidney dysfunction, suggesting conditions like acute and chronic kidney damage, dehydration, or even effects of a high-protein diet and a catabolic state. Urine analysis offers a broad spectrum of information, revealing the presence of proteins, blood, and other irregularities like white blood cells and bacteria. This test can detect infections such as cystitis and pyelonephritis, the presence of kidney stones through crystals, and glomerulonephritis by identifying red blood cell casts. Another significant concern is proteinuria, signifying excessive proteins in the urine. This condition could hint at various ailments, including nephrotic syndrome, glomerulosis, diabetic nephropathy, and hypertensive nephrosclerosis. Notably, temporary proteinuria might also arise due to stress. Lastly, ultrasounds stand as a preferred diagnostic tool for the kidneys, credited to their detailed information, accessibility, and the absence of radiation exposure, all at a relatively affordable cost.